Hey, yo, Nasco, where you at?
You niggas lame. Don't trust nobody on shit, I'm touching the game. If I get down, you bustin' his brain. You could copy me, but you can't duplicate. I'm like, nigga, I'm starting up riding a vibe. Tell my little brother, I turn to the story to the end. I'm not no sniper, no swipe. Nigga, you shit, you gon' need a dive.
Alright, man, so I know y'all heard that, bro. I know I'm not Slump, bro. But hey, I did my best, bro. I made it. Just go crazy. But like, I know I'm not that nigga Slump, bro. I did my best, bro. Hey, please don't judge. Like, I don't even make music like you do for real, like. You know what I'm saying? I just like the people y'all niggas ask for. I just go look up a song, bro, and make it like them, like make something like them. Like, some of them niggas I don't even be listening to like that. Like Slump, okay, like maybe like a little bit, but not really. I don't really listen to that nigga music, but like some of them I listen to, some of them I don't. Like it's like if y'all tell me who it is, right, I'll go listen to them. Like one of their songs, just make one off that. So like just keep putting them in the comments, bro. Keep letting me know. And this is the Slump video, and yeah, we out.